The world's top economists and the high majority of people on Earth are screaming that 2023 is going to be a worse global recession than 2008. In today's video, I'm going to present the top 9 charts that are saying the exact opposite is going to happen for Bitcoin. If you're new here, my name is Steve. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump straight into it. Did you know that 84% of traders lose money? It's not because they're unlucky. It's because the algorithms rig the game against the little guys. But not to worry, for the past 20 years, I've been working on my own secret strategies that will outsmart the indicators and give the power back to the people. With my custom indicators, you get buy and sell alerts right to your phone. I literally can't make it any easier. Imagine what it will feel like, effortlessly winning trades. And today, I'm doing you a huge favor. To celebrate my son's birthday, and for a limited time, I'm making my indicator bundle the lowest price it's ever been. Plus, when you sign up, you're going to get a masterclass course absolutely free. And for every person who signs up, I'm going to give a masterclass absolutely free to somebody in need. But the clock is ticking. Time is running out. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com and sign up before it's too late. cryptocrewuniversity.com. Now, we start right here on our first chart. This is the total market cap. So this is Bitcoin and all the altcoins. You can see right here, 2018, this is our top, right up to our resistance. You can see this long wick here. Why is this level important? 753 billion? Because this was our critical support at our first bottom. We called this first bottom right away. You can look back at our videos. We called the mega crash to start at 48K. No matter how you cut it, with the data that's in front of us, we are about to enter our super cycle. It will last shorter than everyone expects. It could be as soon as 3 months from now in May, June, July, where we have a market cycle top somewhere right around 100K or maybe a little bit less. And then we move into our bear market for the next couple of years. And this was the market's first bottom according to every chart that I study. And according to the charts that I study, this was our double bottom. So we had our November bottom and our June bottom. When we called this the first bottom, we were waiting for the market to double bottom, and meanwhile, almost 85 to 87% of the people were against us. But we just like to look at the facts. Who knows what's going to happen, but we cannot argue that the chart in front of us is incredibly bullish. After the market double bottom, we had our first bullish engulfing candle, which printed in January, and you can see what's happened since then. But make no mistake, 753 billion is the critical level of support. If somehow Bitcoin were to break that, it would be somewhat of a free fall down to the levels of here of about 580, between 580 and 535. It would be a free fall. But this is an incredibly bullish chart. Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. Now take a look at our double bottom call on this chart. You can see each cycle, Bitcoin has a top and our first bottom and our second bottom. Our usual double bottoms happen on this purple line. Then you get to 2018. Here's our market cycle top, our first bottom, and our second bottom. Both bottoms happening on the purple line. And yet again, here's our third cycle. Market top, first bottom, second bottom. What's beautiful is our market top had bearish divergence, really heavy. What's beautiful is that our double bottom has really strong bullish divergence. So that's chart number 2 in terms of bullish charts. Chart number 3, we're on Bitcoin. We're on the 12th day. This is the MACD. Every single bear market, we have a MACD cross. There's been no false signals with our MACD crosses, and we've had 5 of them. The first one in 2012, MACD cross after the bottom was in. 2015, MACD cross right here after the bottom was already in. 2019, MACD cross right here after the bottom was already in. And 2020, MACD cross right here after the bottom was already in. So here we are in 2022 with our MACD cross. That was my only wish for Christmas, and we got it early. November 9th was our MACD cross. So we talked about this months before it was going to happen. We warned everybody like, hey, this is my only wish for Christmas. and it came in a big way. So for folks to argue that the bottom is not in, this is the third chart that highly argues that point. Here's the fourth chart. We have our stochastic RSI at the bottom. We're on Bitcoin. We're on the monthly chart. And simply put, when our stochastic RSI crosses this 20 level, we enter a long, drawn out bear market. However, when we get our head back above this 20 level, the bear market is officially over. It happened right here in September of 2015. And you can see our next market cycle, our stochastic RSI, which is our momentum. As soon as it drops below this 20 level, we're out of momentum. We're in a deep, dark bear market. And when do we say goodbye to the bear market? When our stochastic RSI, our momentum, gets back above this 20 level. As soon as we get back above this 20 level, it's off to the races. Okay. Now, Bitcoin is 2 for 2 in these market cycles, and we're showing the exact same signs. This chart right here helped us call the mega crash starting at 48K. It helped us call the big rally we got from 30 to 48K, which freaked everybody out. Everybody turned incredibly bullish, but we're using this chart in a simple manner, just following the facts. Now, is Bitcoin out of the woods yet? No. Our stochastic RSI slow line needs to get its head and confirm above here. We'll see how we close out the month of February. We could very well be above here in our close of February. We need to remain level-headed, but this is a heavy chart number 4 in the point of the bulls. Now, I do have a bonus chart I'm going to show you as well, but here we have the Traders Dynamic Index at the bottom. I want you to draw your attention to this yellow circle here, the yellow circle here in 2019, and the yellow circle that we just have recently. What you want to look for is this red line getting above and holding support on this green line. Why? Because that spells that the bear market is officially over. Once we hold support on this green line with our red line, the bear market is officially over. So it happened here in September of 2015 when the red line got above the green line, held support here. It happened in April 2019. Bitcoin was off to the races, and it just happened. This chart right here is saying that the bull run has officially started. So this is a major point for the bulls. Some of the charts, like the one we just showed you, it argues that, hey, pump the brakes, not officially started yet. So there is conflicting data whether the bull run has started or not yet started, but there is no conflicting data that we are at the tail end of this bear market and about to start or have started our bull run. So the next one is 2 valid points. We have the CM Ultimate RSI MTF here. Whenever we print these little green guys, it happens to be the best buying opportunities of your entire life. And this gave us 2 of them. 2 of them. Bitcoin gave you a second chance if you haven't gotten into the market yet. And then down here at the bottom, we have the Snap RSI EMA. Whenever we get this little green guy above the red, that spells the end of the bear market. Sometimes we get rejection from this red line, which happened here, and sometimes we go right through it, which happened in 2018. We need to see how this month closes. Keep in mind, this is the monthly chart. We have not closed the monthly chart of February. However, if it were to close precisely as it is today, this would mark the beginning of the bull run. Keep in mind, we have not closed this month. No matter what happens this month, there's no way to argue that the bear market still has tons of legs. It's close to being over, according to this chart, or the bull run has officially just started. If we go to our next chart, we have the hash ribbons down here at the bottom. When we print this little beautiful blue button right here, price goes up. It's very simple. You can look at 2019 rally, blue button. 2019 rally again, 48% blue button. 2020 rally, blue button, 850%. Even 2021, we printed a blue button, 70% rally. So here we are with our blue button, which came in at a price of just below 20K, maybe 19K-ish is when we printed this nice little blue button. We covered it right here on our channel. So here's chart number 8. Chart number 8, we're swinging over to the stock market. Keep in mind, all the top world economists are saying that the stock market is going to be an absolute bloodbath in 2023, and that we're going to go into a global recession, and that it's going to be worse than 2008, etc., etc., etc. However, how do they wish to explain the fact that the S&P 500 on the monthly chart has just broken out of a textbook bull flag. What are they going to say? Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. This is a bull flag, and this is our breakout candle. This is our confirmation candle. And just to throw in a little bit of good luck, we had a second confirmation candle, and we're in the midst of our third candle here. Now, our third candle is not a pretty one. It's a reversal candle, but again, this is a bull flag and this is a breakout. These things take time, but this is saying that the market could have a little reversal here in the month of March, which again, Bitcoin is coinciding with that. Month of March could be a nice little reversal, shake out some more weak hands, and then get ready for the remainder of the bull run. So here is the next chart. Next chart, Fear and Greed Index. For the past 2 years, we've been in a downtrend with our high, a lower high, another lower high, another lower high, another lower high. You want to look for inflection points in the market. You want to look for a change in momentum. And this was our very first higher high. This was our first one in 2 years. So Bitcoin has been in a long drawn out bear market. We've had trouble. There was blood in the streets. We formed a beautiful base at this 20 level here. And then we just broke out of our first ever higher high, major sign. Can't argue with that. You can argue a lot of different things about Bitcoin, but all the things I just said about this chart, cannot deny. Those are all pure facts. Now let's go to our bonus chart. Here we have the CM Ultimate MAMTF version 2. This is what we were watching around earlier than Halloween last year, maybe around August, September-ish last year. We were red, and there's only two colors. There's red when we're in a bear market, right? Red here, red here, red here, red here. And then there's green. Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. We can't argue what I just said. There's red and there's green. When we switch from red to green, it's a sign that the worst is over and that the bottom is in. We were looking for the shift to happen because we've noticed a little foreshadowing, a little sneak of a warning that we're going to switch from red to green. And that's the shift of red going down, 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 down. Once that red starts to shift to going up, that's right before the green happens. It happened here. Red going down, 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 down. Once the red shifted to going up, it was about to shift to green. Same here in 2019. Red going down, 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 down. We shifted red going up right before we shifted to green. Why is that important? Because we shifted red up back here in September. And we kept saying to everybody, we just shifted up in red. Look for the end of the year to switch to green. And that's exactly what we saw in November and then into present day. This is on the 2-month chart just to clean it up. But again, huge point for the bulls. This chart is saying, hey, the bear market, it's seen its worst. We could very well retest the bottom. But again, the bear market has seen its worst and we've shifted a momentum shift to the upside. So here are all the charts, just looking at the facts. We threw 10 of them at you, one bonus one, but the charts are saying the same thing. The worst is over. Bitcoin could very well retest our base, given what we showed you in previous videos with this bearish divergence forming. But one cannot argue that the facts that I just showed you in the charts are illustrating that the bottom is already in and that Bitcoin has shifted from a bear market into a bull market, but not officially. It's just in that transition period of a big momentum shift. And again, all the world economists are completely against us. The high majority of the average day person is against us. Some people are a little bit bullish on Bitcoin short term. They could also get caught with their pants down given the bearish divergence we just showed you. But the big picture remains the same. It's the same tune we've been chanting for months and months and months. The bottom is in and Bitcoin is transitioning into a bull run, which has not officially started, but it's getting very close. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Stressed out from your crypto portfolio? Worry no more. We went in the lab, and for the last year, we've been custom designing the world's best indicators for when to buy and when to sell Bitcoin. Whether you're a swing trader, a day trader, a long-term investor, these will blow everything you've seen out of the water. Get text alerts right to your phone and email.
And I've made money back.
And I started to now have a structured plan. I learned something that I didn't know was possible.
I'm actually up 32,000.
Sign up now.